Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on chance or probability. Chance refers to the likelihood that a particular event will occur. The word probability is also used and has the same meaning as chance in this context. Events which rely on chance are all around us in our daily lives. Many of these events go unnoticed in our day-to-day living. We are sometimes placed in a position where we have to make a decision, even though we are not sure of the outcomes. Now here are some little diagrams that tell us something about the weather. We'll have a little explanation here. One evening, we hear the weather forecast for the following day. Based on the information we are given, we need to decide on our course of action for the next day. What clothes do we wear? Do we need to take an umbrella? Should we park outdoors or under cover? Naturally, we can wait till the morning before we make our final decision. Why is it so difficult? Well, the Weather Bureau is not 100% certain about tomorrow's weather. Horse racing is very popular around the world. While the favourite has a good chance of winning, there is no guarantee that it will win. Most times there is no right answer when dealing with chance. Now here we have the days of the week, and there's some sort of prediction about rainfall for the next week. If today is Thursday, we can see from the above table that the chance of rain on Friday is 60%. We decide to take a raincoat, warm clothes, and an umbrella to work on Friday. The day turns out to be fine with no rain. This is a perfect example of making an uncertain decision given the information we have at our disposal. Probability. Another word which has a similar meaning to the word chance is probability. Some typical questions we come across with respect to chance or probability are as follows. What is the chance that it will rain next week on my birthday? What is the chance that our football team will win this weekend? What is the probability that Dad will take us on holidays this year? Other everyday examples. Now, what we have here is the very popular game of snakes and ladders, and we all know how that's played. Now here is a red counter. It is on the number 94. Your red counter is on number 94. What is the chance that you will toss a 6 to win the game? Okay, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what you need to get to the finish. And you have to toss this die, which is the singular of dice. And you can see that your chances are slim because there's only 1 6 on the die. A coin is tossed at the start of a tennis match to decide who will serve first. Now the beauty of the coin here, basically you only have 2 sides, a head and a tail. That's what normal coins have, so there are only 2 choices. So when a person tosses the coin and another person tries to guess where it will land, there is a 50% chance that the person will be correct. So this video has introduced you to a very basic explanation of chance and probability, and what we've learnt is that in the majority of cases we are not 100% certain that the event we want to occur will actually occur. So there is a lot of uncertainty associated with chance and probability.